feared is the way He has set, and I long to give in and retreat. Still to Jesus I hold as I face every step, for the Lord He will give me His peace. Bless the Lord, He will give me His peace. Bless the Lord, He will give me His peace. And if I should remain in the valley today, bless the Lord, He will give me His peace. When the road that I tread fills my heart with despair, and it seems that my grief has no end, still to Jesus I hold, who will walk with me there, and the Lord He will give me His strength. Bless the Lord, He will give me His strength. Bless the Lord, He will give me His strength. And if I should remain in the valley today, bless the Lord, He will give me His strength. On the road that you walk, with the weight of the cross, all my pain and my sorrow you held. So to you I shall hold, you redeem every loss. For my Lord, you have given yourself. Bless the Lord, for He gives me Himself. Bless the Lord, for He gives me Himself. And if I should remain in the valley today, bless the Lord, for He gives me Himself. Bless the Lord, for He gives me Himself. Bless the Lord, for He gives me Himself. And if I should remain in the valley today, bless the Lord, for He gives me Himself. Bless the Lord, for He gives me Himself.